I am Pankaj Sampath from Simplicity, and I am a realtor, member of National Association of Realtors. I am very happy, very excited to announce that a leader from our industry in India and the President of National Association of Realtors, Mr. Kalpesh Shah and Mrs. Neeta Shah, who are managing a company and very famous in Bombay by the name Asha Realtors, are today part of TalkFusion technology, which they will be using to give very top class, quick response, real-time response for their clients and give better customer satisfaction, because you will experience now from their website how they will give you live video conference, broadcast, and have live meetings with all the people in the real estate trade. And let me tell you that they are also organizing many training events for realtors across the country, as it is his role as the President of National Association of Realtors to hold such. We are going to have one such event on the 13th of this month in September, where all of them, he had seen the technology and seen the value and understood that this is the way the world is going, and he wants to share it with the world of real estate from all the builders and all the realtors across India by putting an example of implementing it for Asha Realtors, which is already very famous, his company is very famous. So I am very happy. Today is a day that will go down in history when more and more leaders like him are adopting world-class technology from TalkFusion for providing service to their customers in real time. I should also mention that Mr. Ravi Verma from Pune, who is the Vice Chairman, and Mr. Mohanjit Singh, the President of Navi Mumbai Association, have already started implementing technology for real estate. And now today we have a very dynamic person like Mr. Kalpesh Shah and Mrs. Neeta Shah, who will be using, and you will get regular video newsletters, you can have video conferences, and they will send you walkthroughs, and so many ways they will make it easy for you to understand what they are offering without meeting face to face. So we welcome them wholeheartedly into the global world of TalkFusion, which is a powerful technology you can also consider using for your real estate. Thank you, Kalpesh Bhai, and wish you wonderful time ahead. Thank you very much, Neeta Shah. And I am Pankaj Sampath. Happy to make this announcement today. Bye-bye. I'm looking forward to doing great things in real estate. Bye-bye.
If you want something in life, you gotta go get it, man.
Go get it. If you want it, don't sweat it, homie, go get it. If you're trying and it gets you down, don't let it. Take it from me, man, I've been around, don't sweat it. It's all better when you go for yours. If I want something, I'ma go get it. At first it be all struggle, then it's all credit. See, back in the day, getting on was mad hectic. Looking for my start in hip-hop like Cedar and Sedgwick. I knew I loved music, idea sparked the fuse lit. I had talent and knew it, but had yet to prove it, yo. I ran the ciphers.